Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in a new free Solana RPG that has just dropped season 0. And if you complete the quest you can secure a whitelist for the main launch. So I'm going to show you guys how you can participate in it. So the name of the project is Everdraw. So this is a project that is new and it is a Solana project and also a game. So for you to participate, it's not hard, it is free. You're not spending any time. Everything about Everdraw is free. You need to participate in it for you to stay positioned for some potential reward by following my guide. So make sure to watch this video to the end because it's very simple. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to participate in the Everdraw quest campaign to stay positioned for some potential reward. So like I said guys, this is a way for you to secure your whitelist. So it is a base RPG where you collect heroes, craft cards, and send them on quests. So season 0 is an early free sneak peek, no wallet or download needed to start. Full day 0 is coming in a few weeks. So for you to participate in the few day 0, you must secure your white list. And so for now, I don't know what they are going to give out, either USDT, USDC, or their own token, or maybe an NFT that is going to be worth more. But since this is free, it is good you participate in it. So like I said, they are mainly giving out whitelist spots. In Everdraw Season 0 sneak peek, the key reward for completing the quest is a whitelist for the upcoming Day 0 launch on Solana. So this is how it works for you to get started. First of all, you need to get an invite code and enter at everdraw.io. I'm going to drop my code at the description of this video and at the comment section and also in my Telegram group. So I'll be updating you guys with new code in my Telegram group. So please make sure to join my Telegram group. And in case the codes have been used, what you need to do is to visit their X account. So Everdraw at Everdraw underscore RPG. Then you click on this. Then you are going to see a lot of people are dropping code. So if you check under, a lot of people are dropping code like this. You're going to see, okay, maybe let me click here. You're going to see a lot of people are dropping their code. So if you want to participate, make sure to follow them here. You're going to see a lot of people are dropping code in case my code have been used. So because I know a lot of people are going to use my code, but please make sure to try it. Then after that, you need to sign up with your X account, then complete the game quest, then submit your Solana wallet to claim the whitelist. So if you don't have a Solana wallet, it is advisable you download Phantom Wallet. So I'm currently using an extension. So you just need to submit your wallet. You don't need to connect your wallet. Just submit your wallet address. That is your Solana wallet address, the one you are going to get from your Phantom wallet or your Software wallet, depending on any Solana wallet you are using. Then you submit it. After you submit it, then you just need to wait for you to claim the white list. So submit your Solana wallet to claim the white list. After you have done that, all right. So let's see. Okay, so you need an invite code. All right, so now what you need to do is to connect X. So invite code cannot be used. Check the code or ask the person who invited you. Okay, so they have already used this code. I'm still going to find another new code to see. To make it easier for you, just search for Everdraw code on X. And let's see. Okay, so let's see. Alright guys, so after putting the code, then you click on connect X account. So what you just need to do now is to just click on authorize app. So you can also use your mobile phone for this. So you want to make sure your X account is logged into the browser you're using to participate in this. So you can also use your mobile phone for it to be fast for those of you that don't have a PC. I can use a PC for it also. So what you all need to do is to click on authorize app because I'm connecting it to my X account. Alright guys, so wait for it to process. So you can see checking your sign in result. Alright, so done. Waiting for it to process. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, in learn the game, craft and upgrade, pick heroes, run your first quest, 2 guided minutes that puts you on the road to a whitelist spot. Then click on get started. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. You can see that my S account is already connected. All the heroes. Okay, so what you all need to do is to just perform all these quests. Alright. So this is what you all need to do. Okay, let's click on quest. Okay, start quest. Begin quest. Let's see. Okay, select. Alright, so what you all need to do is to just perform all these quests. Okay, done. Okay, let's select 100%. Begin quest. Alright guys, so what you all need to do is to click on quest, make sure to complete this quest. So what you just need to do, although I've performed some quests already, so going to bring you here, click on quest, you're going to see something like this. So you just need to click on start quest, it's going to show you something like this, then you click here, then you click begin, then hero, click on hero. Okay, so you select this, then click on select, then click equipped, then you click this, then you click this. Okay, done. Hero again, then click. So I don't fully understand the game, so I'm trying to just use my head here. So alright, let's check results. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, so you go to check results after you have done first successful, 0 card loss, blah blah blah. Then quest 100%, then you click on claim reward. Okay. So after I've done with that, okay, you can see whitelisted. I've been whitelisted. So now you need to paste your Solana address here. So I'm going to visit my Solana wallet to get my address. So I need to click on receive, get my address, paste it here. Then alright guys, looking on the screen, whitelist pack done. So unlock your own invite code through a qualifying quest. Let's see which quest again. So let's see. Okay, so now click on begin quest. Okay, let's see. Invite. Okay, complete an invite unlocking quest. So okay, so progress 2%. So I think we need to complete all these quests. Alright, so let's see. Let's see. Alright, I'm trying to search for the game guide on X, but I can't find it anywhere. So I'm just doing some random stuff. Okay, let's go back and see. Okay, still showing me check result. Let's see. Okay, I see if it was successful. Claim and view reward. Let's see, 100%. Checking your reward. Okay, guys, you can see on the screen, I've gotten access to my invite code. So what you just need to do is to complete those quests. Once it is 100%, like first of all, you need to complete the quest 100%. Then you go back and click on check reward. If the check reward is successful, that is, you are not seeing any percentage for you to complete the quest again, just know that you are good to go. And same thing, once you have claimed this, same for the invite also. So this is my invite code. I'm going to drop all this at the comment section. So available for only 5. Comment section and description of this video, and also in my Telegram group as quick as possible. So those of you that are going to get it, congratulations. And please, if you use my code, please also make sure you drop it in my Telegram group for interested people, and also the comment section of my YouTube video for those of you that are going to use my link. And also, once you drop it, you can also drop it anywhere also. So it is a something of first come first serve. And those of you that are not going to get the code, what you just need to do is to visit X and search for Everdraw code. So this is not something that is scarce or anything. If you just click on it, a lot of people are dropping their code. So this is not something you need to gatekeep, because very soon they are going to still open it. So it's not something you need to gatekeep. So just check around for the code. So every second, a lot of new people are dropping the code. So you can see this guy, for example, a lot of people are dropping the code. So this is not something you need to gatekeep or something you need to hide. If you just check X, search for Everdraw code, you are going to see a lot of people are dropping the code. So make sure to use their code. You can use anybody code, but please make sure to try and use my own code. And if you have any code, drop it anywhere you like. It's a free something. Don't feel like you are gatekeeping anything. So I got my own from X also. So same thing with you. You can get your own code from X. So guys, I'm going to keep you guys updated on this. This is what you need to know as of the time of making this video on Everdraw Whitelist campaign in order for you to get some potential reward at the end. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.